Swagbucks showing an already redeemed message usually means the reward system thinks that offer, code, or reward has already been claimed on your account. By the end, you'll know the common reasons this happens and the steps to check before contacting Swagbucks support. First, check your Swagbucks account activity. Open your account history and look for the reward, gift card, or offer you are trying to redeem. If the transaction appears there, the system may have already processed it, even if you did not notice the confirmation. Next, check that you are using the correct Swagbucks account. The already redeemed message can happen if you are signed into a different account than the one that completed the offer or earned the points. If you use multiple email addresses, try signing out and logging back in with the email connected to your Swagbucks profile. Do not create a new account to solve the problem because duplicate accounts can create additional account issues. For gift card redemptions, check your email inbox and spam folder. Swagbucks may have already sent a confirmation email or delivery message for the reward. If the reward came from an offer, check the offer details again. Some promotions only allow one redemption per account, and trying to claim the same reward again can trigger an already redeemed message. You can also try basic app and browser fixes. Update the Swagbucks app if you use mobile, clear browser cache if you use the website, and try redeeming again from a different browser or device. If the message still appears and you did not receive the reward, contact Swagbucks support. Include your Swagbucks username, the reward or offer name, the date you tried to redeem it, and a screenshot of the error message. Avoid repeatedly submitting the same redemption request because it can make it harder to track the original issue. The main things to check are your redemption history, the account you are logged into, and whether the reward was already delivered by email. Start with your account history and email search because those two checks can quickly confirm whether the reward was already processed. If this guide helped you fix the Swagbucks already redeemed error, subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides and fixes.